Sheesh. Look at that damage. She's more shredded than I am.
Watch pause how it gets towed.
Fuck video. To the audience yet about what happened during the crash.
Guys, it's got to a crash!
I just crashed! Fuck! What happened, man? What happened? Yeah, I was just going straight on a 60 road, and I guess it could happen to anyone. This guy started turning too early. Didn't give me enough space.
You were in were you in the main road? And he
Yeah,
was
I was on the main road.
U-turn?
He was turning into, like, he was trying to cross the main road pretty much.
Yep.
He just turned without, like, checking if he had enough space pretty much. He was like an elderly guy, no shame. But I only found out, I was a bit shocked after it. I only found out after that he was actually turning into the wrong lane.
So, and how did you find that out? Did he say that?
No, one of the witnesses pointed it out. He's
Okay,
like,
no, cause what's good about that is that it's like another thing of going, one, he was going across the road when he knew, like, when there was enough space. And yes, again, he wasn't able to figure out.
He was also going in the wrong side.
Yeah, exactly.
So pretty much, I would say this is the main road here. Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
No. This is his car. This is my car. It was like I was going straight. He started turning. I kind of like angled my car.
Did you hit him at around 60 Ks?
No, I like floored the brakes as much as I could. Probably around 40k, 30k.
That's still a lot though.
I don't.
Do you, like, how you, like, was it like a big bump whiplash in a way, or was it just like a what the hell's going on kind of situation? Like, you're fine.
I didn't get much whiplash at all. I hope he's okay, you know. But
your car's okay.
my car's not okay.
Oh.
I pray to God that I can get it repaired, but it's not looking great for us.
Pretty much, you made collision with the dude.
Yeah.
And you got out. You're like, what the fuck, man? Or you
No,
were you like,
I-
shit, are you okay? You okay? What was it? Or was it just like a, what the hell, man?
No, I actually asked him what happened.
Yeah,
I'm like,
but
what?
in what way?
I'm
It was
like,
like,
what happened, man? What happened? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, that's not bad.
I should have asked if he was okay. That should have been my first.
Yeah, but at least you
response,
didn't go out and yell at him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to be mean. Next time I got in a car, I was a bit shook still, but
Were you like,
it's alright. I was like
adrenaline?
braking really hard at every stop.
Wait, you drove it home?
Oh no, I didn't.
We drove
called
your mum's car home.
We called a tow truck. That costed quite a bit, unfortunately. Like 300.
You should got him to pay for it. I saw the RSCV sticker on it. On his car, there was an RSCV sticker.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Check.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Hold on, Vaughn called me. You keep talking.
It's like fuck. I don't want to talk about myself.
Oh, nearly is.
Oh, sweet. Let me have a look. What are you hitting?
Oh, you can't see it.
Actually, generally really heavy.
They're really.
I've actually had to fold them up.
All right, let's see. The new Gymshark collegiate pants. Please sponsor me.
Really comfortable.
How's the material? Is
really
it like
thick, I would
thick
say.
quality? Okay.
It feels that thick.
Damn. Okay.
And it has like a little bit of a mesh underneath the actual pants as well.
I cannot work without my glasses.
I mean, like, I do a lot of reading in my job, but not as much as like a more basic going, you need to pack 3.
Look at this, right? Look at this. That's what I have to read.
Ah,
Sorry,
okay.
no. That. Where it says white.
Yeah, matter of fact, those 2 things are yours.
The what?
Those 2 things are yours.
Oh, donating to the homeless.
So it's a hoodie, oversized hoodie, and that's just like a tank top.
How much do I owe you?
Scoop free. No, nothing. It's like the celebration of like you coming back to the gym, and you don't have any gym wear anyway, so might as well.
Thank you, man. Shut up, bro.
You guys are so cute together.
You're next.
What?
I was saying it's annoying because I don't like the feeling of my pants underneath my shoes.
Okay, maybe the other one. Front double bar, back double bar. I don't know. See, if you were shirtless, this would look amazing. It's a good angle.
No, in there was a Brotherhood movie where a criminal did that, and it was also kind of neat.
You're like gonna flex your triceps, grow your waist, go thinner, right? So now do that all in one motion.
I wanna feel alone tonight. I wanna feel alone tonight. I wanna feel alone tonight.
safe out there, guys. You never know what might happen.